Now let's move on to market condition. But first, i-define muna natin kung ano nga ba yung market condition. Sabi dito, the market condition is the overall state of the market that describes how the price behaves. So basically, what we have to emphasize in this one is how the price behaves. Diba? Kasi nga, we are talking about the market condition. Kung paano gumagalaw yung price or kung ano yung state ng market. Now, the market condition is simply the environment that the price is operating in. Diba? Kasi nga, since the market has or behaves in different manner, different ways, we have to understand that the market has this classification kung ano yung current environment niya. And it answers the question, what game am I playing right now? Diba? Since meron nga tayong iba't ibang classification for market condition, you have to understand kung ano yung environment na tinetrade nyo. Otherwise, you won't be able to, or it would be harder for you to trade. Diba? If you won't be able to identify the market condition. And it describes behavior, structure, and risk. Diba? Kasi sa market condition, we have this price behavior, price structure. So, if you would be able to understand kung ano yung, or how would you identify these different market conditions, then again, it would be harder for you to trade. Kasi nga, by understanding this market condition, you are aligning yourself with the market. Diba? You are aligning what you are interpreting in the market doon sa trade mo. And if ever you are aligning those things, if you are having, or if you have a clear bias or clear understanding of the market condition, it would be easier for you to have a bias. Kasi nga, meron tayong dalawang, if we will go back doon sa pinag-usapan natin before, we have the buys or sells, diba? Now, how would you identify kung bibili ka ba or magsisell ka, diba? And that's where the market condition comes in. Now, we have the trending market condition. In trending market condition, basically, it's a directional or expansion phase. And usually, it is, or the momentum and trend following works in this market condition or in this scenario. And in trending market, it is classified into two, the uptrending market and the downtrending market. And the next one is the sideways. Sa sideways, it is a compression, a balance, or a preparation. And usually, itong sideways na to, it takes a lot of patience, range logic, and breakout planning simply because during sideways, madalas mangyari yung mga disorder sa market, mga overlaps or fake outs. Kasi nga, you don't know where the market is going. Usually, gumaganyan-ganyan lang siya, diba? So, ang tendency, nagiging choppy yung price, right? Or nagkakaroon ng fake outs. Pwedeng akala mo bababa na pala, di ba? Kasi bumaba siya rito, but suddenly, umakyat siya. So, sideways can be very tricky and probably choppy. So, that's it for the market condition. See you guys in the next video.